Today I'm going to teach the class about adding and subtracting matrices. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers written within brackets. Each number in the matrix is called a matrix element. There may be times when you want to add or subtract matrices to get new information. To do this, the matrices have to have the same dimensions. You add the matrices by adding the corresponding elements that are in the same position in each matrix. Therefore, the same column and row of each matrix. My real-world example is the following word problem. Which school, UGA or Oregon, had the most offensive production from its top 3 running backs during the years 2010 through 2014, given the following matrix? So this is my matrix for the total offensive production by the top 3 running backs, and we have two matrices here. We have a rushing matrix and a receiving matrix, and as you can see, it has the years 2010 through 2014, and you have the two schools, UGA and Oregon. And all you have to do to find the total amount of rushing yards for a school, and the same thing goes for the receiving yards, is you add from the years 2010, the yards from that year, all the way through 2014, you get your total. So, for example, Georgia rushed for 1,513 yards in 2010, so you just add that to the 2011 total, you get 1,458, and you just continue to do that down the column, and you get your total. Same thing with Oregon. You want to start at 2010, and yeah, 2,638. You get down, you just keep going, just continue on. And for receiving, it's just the same thing. You just take that 2010 number and you add it all the way down the column of the matrix, and that's how you get your totals. And I took it a step further. So I got my total amount of yards of rushing for Georgia, and I added it to my total amount of receiving yards from the top 3 running backs of Georgia, and I got a total combined yardage of 11,145 yards. And I did the same thing for Oregon, and I added 13,159 yards to 3,575 yards, and that will give you the total combined yardage for to make it 16,734. And so therefore, Oregon would have more offensive production from their top 3 running backs over the last 5 years than UGA. And this concludes my presentation.